And the first question is how to buy real estate with low income. And before I would answer this question or even continue thinking about buying real estate if you have low income, is I would really try to figure out like what is your end goal with the real estate. I know a lot of people sell real estate investing as like a get rich quick, grow wealth, leave your job, and I think that is often extraordinarily over exaggerated. In fact, real estate investing is really capital intensive. And if you have low income, then you might be able to get your foot in the door on a property or two. However, what are you going to do when something goes wrong with that property and you're going to have to address whatever it is so you can either sell it or continue to rent it out and keep the person that lives there really happy? So you definitely want to address whatever the cause of your low income is, in my opinion, first before you start investing in real estate. Now, I'm not opposed to someone negotiating like an owner finance deal with seller financing or doing some type of creative financing to get your foot in the door on a property with low income. But at the same time, you have to be working a plan to increase your income. Now, whether that is starting to wholesale real estate, picking up some other type of skill set or knowledge base that's going to allow you to make more income, whether it is building some type of skill set in order to increase your income from a W-2 basis or get another job, something you're going to be having to work that plan in addition to getting involved in real estate. So real estate is a fantastic way to build up your income, build up your wealth, and definitely create some type of generational wealth aspect in your life. However, an immediate short-term gain is not likely. You're going to want to address that low income really quickly, however you can. Consider it to be really high priority to fix that before you get too serious about investing in real estate. I'm not trying to be discouraging with that answer, but I'm also trying to be realistic and very helpful. And I think for the most part, you're definitely going to want to be well positioned to handle unexpected expenses when you get started in real estate investing. And for most people, your active income is going to be like the first layer of defense against unexpected expenses. So you're going to want to get that up because real estate is so capital intensive. And there's four main ways of investing in real estate or ways to profit from investing in real estate. You've got your appreciation, which that's not something that you could pay for unexpected expenses from. You've got your principal pay down. Again, that's you paying your mortgage and the balance that you owe the bank or whoever the lender is gradually decreasing. Now, during the first decade of these loans, generally, you barely have any principal pay down. So that's a very small way of making money in real estate, and it's also one that's not going to help you pay for those unexpected expenses. The third way, the tax benefits, that is going to ease your tax burden. However, it's not necessarily going to help you pay for those immediate unexpected expenses. So cash flow, the fourth one, is the only way that real estate will make you income that might have the ability to allow you to pay for these unexpected expenses. However, generally speaking, the amount of cash flow on any given rental property is not going to be sufficient to pay for whatever unexpected expense arises. So let's say you're making $200-300 per month after all of your expenses on any given property. Well, nowadays, especially with lumber prices having increased, along with anything else, inflation has really hit hard. $5,000, $8,000, $10,000 is what it would cost to replace a roof. So how many months of that, of the $200 to $300 per month of your expected cash flow, will it eat up to pay for the roof? So I think it's a safe bet to say that you're never going to make enough money from one individual property to pay for all of the unexpected things that could go wrong with that property. So keep that in mind as you are creating your expectations, dreaming big, figuring out the role that real estate investing plays in your financial future. And low income is not going to be solved with real estate investing. If anything, it's going to make the consequences of having a low income even worse. So keep that in mind. Do your research and plan well.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question.
And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.